With winter waning in the cold Canadian cauldron, New Horizon Aircraft keeps cruising along to bring its hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing Cavorite X7 to life. As of late, it began a collaboration with HIRJ Aviation Group, a subsidiary of Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, to advance the Cavorite X7's development. MHIRJ's role is to provide specialized engineering services focused on designing and developing flight test instrumentation crucial for the aircraft's testing phase, which is scheduled to begin in early 2027. Additionally, MHIRJ's expertise in regional aviation will help to guide the project forward, leveraging their extensive experience in aircraft certification and production. Brandon Robinson, the CEO and co-founder of Horizon Aircraft, highlighted MHIRJ's reputation in the aerospace industry as a critical asset for the Cavorite X7's success. The engineering expertise provided by MHIRJ is seen as pivotal in reducing the technical risks involved in advancing the aircraft to its next stages of development. The Cavorite X7 is designed to be more cost-efficient compared to conventional helicopters. Horizon Aircraft projects that the Cavorite X7 will operate up to 75% more cost-effectively than traditional helicopters on a cost-per-available seat-mile basis. This impressive economic performance is attributed to the aircraft's hybrid electric architecture and its unique fan-in-wing design. Since the aircraft primarily operates in fixed-wing cruise mode, powered by a turboprop engine, it can reach speeds of up to 450 kilometers per hour, nearly twice the speed of traditional helicopters, giving it an optimized edge for regional missions like medevac, disaster relief, and defense operations, where rapid response times are everything. The X7's projected operating cost is 97 cents per available seat mile, a figure validated by an independent audit firm. Horizon Aircraft intends to highlight these cost benefits to legacy helicopter operators and lessors in 2026, with the goal of demonstrating the aircraft's potential to transform the way regional operators deliver services. The Cavorite X7's ability to carry meaningful payloads, up to 680 kilograms or 1,500 pounds, its high utilization potential, and its ability to fully recharge batteries in flight distinguish it from all-electric eVTOLs, which have limited range and charging capabilities. These features will help ensure year-round availability, minimizing disruptions from adverse weather or mechanical downtime. The design of the Cavorite X7 also prioritizes safety and performance. Horizon Aircraft has made several key updates to the aircraft, including improvements to its vertical lift fans, aerodynamics, and passenger experience. The aircraft now features 12 vertical lift fans, 5 in each wing, and 1 in each canard, standardizing the fan sizes to improve manufacturing efficiency and performance. These changes enhance the aircraft's stability, reduce drag, and improve its cruise efficiency. For passengers, the cabin has been redesigned to provide more legroom and better sightlines, music to the ears of anyone over 5'6". In regards to structure, Horizon has partnered with RAM PF Composite Solutions to manufacture the fuselage for the Cavorite X7. RAM PF, a leader in high-performance composite materials, will produce a lightweight, high-strength fuselage designed to withstand harsh conditions and improve fuel efficiency. The partnership ensures that the fuselage meets the demanding requirements of aerospace and defense customers while optimizing the aircraft's overall performance. Horizon has also made strides in its work with Motion Applied, the high-performance technology division, formerly part of McLaren Group from Formula One. Motion Applied will design and manufacture a customized motor drive inverter for the Cavorite X7's hybrid electric system. This inverter, which will convert direct current from the onboard batteries into alternating current to power the electric motors, will utilize cutting-edge silicon carbide technology. This system is designed to be highly efficient, lightweight, and capable of transferring power more effectively, improving the aircraft's overall performance, power density, and range. Then, to meet more complex certifications for a sharper competitive edge, the Cavorite X7's development remains focused on ensuring the aircraft meets regulatory standards for all-weather capability, instrument flight rules, and flight into known icing. Then to meet anticipated demand from regional operators, emergency service providers, and military customers. Horizon is already thinking about how to better scale production as it builds its first full-scale Cavorite X7.